I'll tell you what my boss told me. We all start the same. We all have to earn our keep our own way. Time and mistakes teach us. It's not about being right. It's about being dependable. Your work is more than the day-to-day and the job. Take care of what you have and take pride in what's yours. And know that you're building something greater than the sum of its parts. With the right tools and hard work, you're building a legacy. And that is worth more than anything in this world.